great summer. Are you ready for school? Are you ready for school? All right. You know, it's funny, I was just going to say Happy New Year. That's not normally the time when we wish each other a Happy New Year, but that's the way I feel of it at the beginning of every single school year. You had a great opportunity to start a new chapter, right? Write your own chapter with optimism, with dreams. You get to reinvent yourself, be a better version of the version you were last year, which was already great. So this is why we love the beginning of a new school year, of a new year, and this is why we celebrate it the way we want to celebrate it here at Buckley, and the 8th graders are going to help us with that. They have a great assembly planned for you to introduce all the new students this year, as well as all the faculty and staff, okay? We're going to start with the Pledge of Allegiance, and Mia and Loki are going to lead us. And I'm going to ask, after the Pledge of Allegiance, I'm going to ask everybody to remain standing, and then Adriano will sing the national anthem for us.
Assembly stand.
Take some used to. National anthem. Thank you, Adriano. Let's give him another round of applause. Thank you. All right, so I thought we were all here, but we're missing. Wait a minute. Oh, we're missing all the 8th graders. Where are they? Mr. Kelly, do you see them over there? Are they anywhere? All right, Mr. O, I think we're ready. Let's welcome the class of 2025. me give a round of applause to Nicholas here, who's our youngest first graders and walked in with Alyssa. And now it is my pleasure to introduce you all to our President of the Student Council for the year 2024-2025, Alyssa Sugiyama.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the class of 2025, I would like to welcome all returning and new faculty, staff, students, and families to the opening assembly for the 2024 to 2025 school year. My name is Alyssa Sugiyama, and yes, that's right. Summer break is officially over. No more telling our parents we finished our summer homework or convincing ourselves that we did. This week, we face reality and consequences. Now, I would like to introduce this year's theme for the Buckley community. Illuminate, be the light that guides others. What does this mean? To make sure our lower school students understand the word illuminate, I asked my little brother Cody, a second grader, what he thought it meant. Immediately, he started singing the illumination theme from the Minions. He then began speaking in Minionese, which, as you can imagine, got out of control and quickly ended the conversation. Unfortunately, for our lower school students, our theme, Illuminate, has nothing to do with the Minions. In the dictionary, illuminate means to make something bright by shining light on it. So, combined with our phrase, be the light that guides others, it means to let our inner light shine, to inspire and guide others. As we begin this new school year, I want to remind you all that each of us has the power to illuminate our Buckley community. Just as the torch relay at the Olympics symbolizes peace and friendship by passing the flame from one person to another, we can share and spread kindness, compassion, and understanding to each other. This year, let's recognize and highlight each other's strengths, helping us all shine our brightest. Together, our individual light can become a collective source of happiness and success for everyone in the Buckley community. Now, it is time to introduce the new teachers, staff, and students joining the Buckley community. These new members of our community will rely on us to be their guiding light as the new school year begins. To remind them we are here to be their light, and they can also illuminate someone else's path, we have a gift for them, an electric candle decorated with Buckley's emblem, along with our theme. When I call your name, please come up and receive a gift from us. To start off, we welcome Jackson Goodman. Now, welcome to second grade, Jackson Brodsky. Next, welcome to third grade, Luca Breakov. Also welcome to third grade, Nico Owens. Last but not least, welcome to third grade, Daniel Yu. grade, Liam Du. Now, welcome to 5th grade, Gabriel Brodsky. Another welcome to 5th grade, Kalani Blackwell. Last but not least, welcome to 5th grade, Caitlin Ferguson. Next, welcome to 6th grade, Holland Taylor. Another welcome to 6th grade, Mark Sabatino. Last but not least, we welcome Kai Hevitz to 6th grade, who unfortunately could not be here today. Lastly, welcome to 7th grade, Marcus Malcolm. Now we're moving on to new faculty and staff members. To start off, we welcome Mrs. Carrie Connolly, pre-nursery assistant teacher. Next up, we welcome Mrs. Meg Edwards, kindergarten teacher. Next, we welcome second grade teacher, Miss Ashley Lay. Next, we welcome 5th and 6th English teacher, Mr. Mike Faraday. Next, we welcome PE teacher and coach, Miss Katie Priolo. Now we welcome a new member of the maintenance team, Mr. Matt Gango. Stone. Last but not least, we welcome Chief Financial Officer, Mr. Dan Schultz. On behalf of the class of 2025, I wish everyone a sparkling year ahead.
Can we give Alyssa a round of applause there? She did such a great job. What a president we have. And in class of 2025, I'm very proud of you. Wish you the best year ever. I'm going to dismiss you now. We're going to have some music and we get to run down the aisle while we cheer for you. All right, Mr. O, you ready? All right, Alyssa, lead the way. Let's cheer for our 8th graders. Class of 2025. All right. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm really in the mood. I'm really in the mood for a great new year. And if you think about it, the 8th graders gave you a great gift today, not only to the new students, to the new faculty, to the new staff, but to all of you. They give you the opportunity to think about each individually with your own light that shines within you. You can light up somebody else's life, right? Lift them up and give them an opportunity to be the best they can be, right? So you can do that for yourself, you can do that for them. So it's a great gift that all the 8th graders give you today, to think about how you can illuminate people's lives, right? So I hope you think about that this year, all of you, all right? So to start, as a way to, give light or bring light to somebody, why don't you turn to the person next to you and tell, I wish you a great year. I hope you have a great year. Alright, now we did that. I'm ready to dismiss you. It's already the weekend. This was our short week, right? So, 1st graders, you may go. 7th graders, you may go. Have a great weekend. Mr.